welcome to this tutorial. In this step-by-step history guide for beginner, I'm going to show you on how to import goods from China like a pro using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to import goods from 1688 like a pro, a very easy step-by-step for beginners. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you open up your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my 1688 shopping app. So having opened up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you search for goods that you want to buy on 1688. So there are different ways to search for goods or items on 1688. One of the first way is to simply come to the search bar right here and type the keyword of the item you want to purchase, and then you are going to see a similar result. One of the second way to search for an item on 1688 is to make use of this camera icon right here, which stands for image search, a situation whereby you upload a picture of the items or goods that you want to purchase on 1688, and then you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can make use of new icon right here, which has to do with every latest item that was uploaded just recently or some weeks ago is being found right here on 1688. So whichever way that is much convenient for you, you can use any of the three options to search for item on 1688. Having searched for an item, next thing you want to do is to make sure you add the item to cart. So let's check out on how you can actually add an item to cart, or how you can add goods to cart on 1688. Okay. All right, so from this store right here, I need just one bag. So for me to add the bag to cart, I need to simply click on here. So I need just white color one pieces. So this is white. Then I'll click on here to add one pieces to cart. So for me to finally add the item to cart, I need to click on here. So it has been successfully added to cart. So I need to buy from other store. So let's check it out. So from this store right here, I need 2 pieces of beer, of teddy beer. So for me to add it to cart, I need to click on here. So I need this one right here, 2 pieces. So I'm going to click on here to add 2 to cart. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to add it to cart. So it has been successfully added to cart. So let's check out on another store. All right, from this particular store also, I need to buy some stuff right here. So for me to do that, I have to add it to cart. So click on here to add them to cart. I need 479 2 pieces, 480 2 pieces, 481 1 pieces. So next thing I need to do is to click on here to add them to cart. So it has been successfully added to cart. So let's click on the top right here to fill our cart. So we have everything right here in our cart, from the first one, second one, and third one. So this is 3 different stores. Okay. So what we need to do now is to proceed to checkout. So for us to do that, we need to simply click on here to select the item one after the other. So I'm going to buy these goods. Then I'm going to buy this. Then I'll come to the top here, I'll click on here to buy this. So next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, I need to simply scroll down and see all the goods. So the next thing for me to do now is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then at this point here, you make sure your Alipay is linked. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on here to proceed to payment. Then I click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. Payment done, successful. So next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to go back to my profile. So for me to visit my profile, I need to click on here. So by the time I refresh my profile, the 3 different items we buy from different store is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So here we have it. So this is the first one we had to cart. This is the second one, and this is the last third one we had to cart. And this is how to import goods from China like a pro, a very easy step-by-step tutorial for beginner. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about importation business. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.